All right, so these are what I'm printing today. Whoops, we don't want no secret show, so I have to turn these over.
And the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid.
So this is what I'm printing today. I have like a lot of dog stuff. They all have the invoices on them, so I know where each one is going, right? So it's about I think 14 dog stuff. I have some coming by delivery. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and print these up. These are all dogs hoodies. These are all dogs hoodies, and this is a human hoodie. This one is I'm gonna use the puff print on this one. The Walaka glow in the dark puff print is going on this hoodie, and these gonna be the B-FLEX and this gray. And this light pink is gonna be Econo Transfer. They're gonna be Econo Transfer. And the darker ones, you know, like let's say this one, the purple, this is emerald green, purple, you know, they gonna be the B-FLEX Gimme5 white. I'm gonna use on those. And this is the Walaka glow in the dark. I'm gonna put on this hoodie. So we're gonna start making it. And while I'm waiting for more hoodie to get delivered to ship out. So anyway, so let's start making these hoodies.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Yo, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow.
I want you guys to pay attention to those wrinkles. Look at these wrinkles right here. Wait till I peel it. Can you see it? It's like not wrinkles, but basically marks. It's because on the other side, the puff, you know, is on the front of the shirt. This is the back of the shirt. So what I should have done is put something in between so that, you know, it doesn't affect it. But, you know, in the end, it all works out fine. Because look at, you can see the line a little, but it's because of the front of the shirt, you could see the line, which I should have put a pad in between. See, these are the line squeezing on it, but anyway, it works out fine. And this is our B-FLEX. So I'm using the B-FLEX here. This is a dog hoodie. I believe this might be like a 4X for a dog. Yeah, it looks like a 4X. So I'm doing this for a company, but it's all going to like different location. But anyway, it's like a bunch of shirt, like I said, that I'm doing. Actually, it's a hoodie for dogs. So look at it, the B-FLEX is perfect for this project. And I'm doing, I believe this might be a medium color that I'm doing. The B-FLEX works wonder, man. I'm telling you guys, if you don't have the B-FLEX, you should go out and try the B-FLEX Gimme5. My link is down below. Go try it out, man. Go try one. I'm telling you, you will love it. I hit it twice. I hit all vinyl twice, except the puff. I don't really hit the puff twice. Sometimes I do, but for reason, you know. But I always hit every single vinyl twice just to make sure. So this is what the gorgeous project looked like after. The glow in the dark is going somewhere else, going to another customer, and all the pet stuff is going together. So now I'm cutting the Econo transfer vinyl. I'm gonna use that on, I believe this is a light pink, and I'm using the black vinyl. They're black vinyl. I don't know, it smells good. I can't explain, maybe it's just me, but I love their black vinyl. It's easy to peel, press, you know. So, and of course you don't need a cover sheet, you know. Even after you peeled it, you take off their cover sheet that's on it. You don't have to put anything on it, just hit that bad boy again. Like I said, I always hit my vinyl twice just to guarantee it will stay on the garment. So I'm also doing it on a gray hoodie, but these are, I believe these hoodies are not 100% cotton. I believe they're like 50-50 dog hoodie. So it's, you know, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. So you, as you could see, it works beautifully. So I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of this video. Watch until the end, and don't forget, go support your boy. If you want to try the Econo transfer, the link is down below in the description. So go hit them up, try a sample, and tell me what you think. I'm gonna leave you right here and continue watching the video. I love you guys so much, I couldn't stay away. So anyway, so these are all been packed up. Actually, I just put them in the I can't remember what these paper called, but anyway, I plastic them up, let's put it that way. And I have all the sheet printed, everything packed up, you know. It's ready to just put in the polyester bag and ship them out. I don't know what's wrong with me today, but anyway. So, but like I said, these over here, I'm still waiting for hoodies to come in, but I have them all, you know, I cut it out already and just waiting for more hoodies to be coming. So I keep those on the side, and because they all going, basically some of them is going to the same person, some of them is going to other companies, but they all the same company, but I'm just shipping them somewhere else. So anyway, and this is the Econo. This is not puff. I mean, I'm sorry, this is puff, but this is not glow in the dark. This is just your regular Econo puff vinyl. I have the white, and I don't remember what color that is, but I have it. If I remember, I'll just throw it up on the screen, but I know that's the white. And I believe, I can't remember what this one is. Oh yeah, I know what that is. That's pink. That's the pink color. I think it's neon pink. So that's the pink. So anyway, that's the scale that I use. I have a bigger one, but sometimes I use this for little packages. And also on all my packages, I always tape the side of it. You know, after closing it, I tape the side just in case the mailman put it outside and it rained. Nothing gets inside of it. So on the end of it, I always tape the end of it to make sure the package is sealed and delivered. So it's all taped up, and that's the scale. Now this is what I use to print out my shipping labels, and you know, it's right next to my computer. Can't go wrong with that. You know, I love this. I so love it. I used to use my printer to print out all the shipping label and tape it on the package. I was going through so much money in inks a month. But anyway, we got rid of that and got me one of those label makers. If you're still using your printer to print out those labels, what are you doing? Anyway, so this is my little scale that I use, but I want to touch base on something. I always measure all my package before I ship them out. Okay, I'm just showing you right here that I tape it to make sure it's sealed. Water can't get in or anything whenever the mailman dropped it off. It's always sealed. But I always measure, because you know you got to put in the measurement. So I measure the height and the width of it, and put it on the label, because you have to do it. So I always have to make sure I do it. I don't really guess, I just measure. Okay, so those are some of the packages that's ready to go. Like I said, I'm still waiting for those packages to come in, and they are just sitting there waiting. And those are going out. That's the hoodie in there. So I'm going to ship the hoodie, and those packages, all 4 packages are going to 4 different people, and some of them have like 2 or 3 hoodie inside of it. Dog hoodie we're talking about, 2 or 3 different dog hoodie inside of it. So now all I'm going to do is just print up the labels and ship it out. Let's get to making more shirts. Okay, so this is what I use to fold most of my shirts. Sometimes I don't need it, you know, you just know how to fold the shirt, but this make it so simple to fold the shirt. You see both sides folding, then you unfold it, then you fold the bottom part in to make the shirt looks good. This is an example I did right here. I didn't show you the whole thing, but I'm going to show it to you. But that's the bottom part, how you just flap it over, and look, I turn it over, boom. See how nice it is? So now you just ship it in the put it in the plastic bag, put it in your polyester, and send that bad boy out. But I'm gonna show you how I do it. Look, but you gotta make sure you fold the bottom of the shirt. And you see where the top is? Make sure you fold the bottom in to like about armpit. You know, I guess you could do it low. It depends on how you want it. But you gotta fold it. Then you fold one side over. Right? Remember, I'm holding the camera with one hand, so it's a little annoying, but I'm doing it still. Fold the other side over, right? Now with that side, you don't have to use your hand to fold it over. You could always use the other side on your left side of the screen. Just bring it over and it will fold it. But you know, I was just trying to show you guys. And then you fold that side in. Boom. Okay, here we go. I'm using this pink shirt so that you could see it again. Remember, you fold it, fold the bottom part up to the armpit, then you go one, back, straighten out that flex. You don't have to. Two, back. Like I said, you could just use the left side to fold that little part in, but I just use my hand. Because I'm holding the camera. I was like, and then you just flip it over. Boom. You see how nice that is? Turn it over, flex, so that they could see it. Let the audience see it. Bam! Okay. Great. So if you want one of this, the link is down below. You can get it off of Amazon. I believe I have Amazon link for it down below. I'm telling you, it will save you so much time because you could do it fast. So I was just doing it one hand, so it doesn't look that fast, but you could bam, 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 and you're done. Alright, so I'm finally finished all these orders. I can't remember how many orders, but it's a lot of orders. I believe it was like, I don't know, maybe 13, 14, I don't know. Maybe, you know, I'll check and see. But I finally finished all these orders now. Some already been shipped out. I already shipped some out. Now these are going out today. So I'm going to finish these up and get them in the mail. So I want to thank everyone for watching, and if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, share the video, drop your boy a comment. Until next time, I'll catch you on my next video. This is your boy Flex, and I'm out.